Hi, here we go. This is your first handwriting assignment. First thing you're going to do is go to the top of the paper. And you're going to write September 16th. And then you're going to put your name at the top. I'm using Sam. Sam is not in our class, but it's a name I like. Sam. And I'm going to write it again. Notice I go from the top line to the bottom. My lowercase letters start at the middle. I take my time. I'm going to write it a few more times. I do not need to write it 1,000. Just a few more times. My capital letters are tall. My lowercase start at the middle. And I take my time.